Hello, my name is Pavel Alvarado. I'm going to talk about the Minero suite or Identifier module. I'm going to use the Martin deposit block model and topography. Other objects such as designs and plans will be displayed, and drill patterns and mining polygons will be created. My goal is to demonstrate all control activities using Minero app. In this exercise, an existing Minero project will be operated. Let's start opening the Ore Identifier project. First, a drill hole pattern will be designed. Correspondingly, an existing design pattern DB, can be projected to the surface to get the actual elevations for each hole. Second, importing and exporting applications must be accomplished. For instance, Goldfire assay database, the dataset must be imported to get gold grades. Similarly, estimation using kriging must be accomplished to generate the ore control block model. In this case, variable gold must be estimated. Likewise, geological field mapping can be used to compute material classes in red oxide, in blue argillic, in this case material class or variable class is classified based upon geosegments, and variable gold based on cutoff grades. AGW acid general waste, OGW oxide general waste, OLM oxide low mill, OHM oxide high mill. In brief, a dilution report must be generated. Information such as gold recovery, copper, and tonnage by material in each mining polygon must be demonstrated. So thank you for taking the time to learn about Minero Suite or Identifier module.